with our full maintenance program with DalaCasa Landscape Management, you get 48 visits with our cool season properties, and you get 38 visits with our warm season properties. We go bi-weekly at the end of October, and we start back to full service in the end of March. What that entails is we arrive at the property, we do full walkthroughs, we make sure that the property is actually serviceable, at which point we'll go ahead and get on the mowers. We also make sure that the proper cutting heights are applied to each turf type. That's very important for us. At that time, the guys will go through, they'll hard edge everything that need to be hard edged. They'll spray the weeds in the beds that don't need to be pulled at that time. But again, the landscape bed management is a big thing for DalaCasa Landscaping. At the end of the visit, the guys are going to do another walkthrough, at which point they will blow off any hard surfaces that need to be blowed off. We'll work from the back, work our way through the front. We'll blow off all the sidewalks in the driveway, and then the crews will just move on to the next property. If we do have quality issues, DalaCasa takes full responsibility of anything going on the property. If you're dissatisfied, just feel free to call into the office. We will look into the matter as soon as possible. We'll have a manager out on site. We'll make sure that problem is taken care of promptly and at no expense to the client, given the circumstances. In addition to our full maintenance program, we do offer additional services to just make sure that the property is taken care of as it needs to be done. During the fall, when the leaves start to fall, we do offer a leaf removal service. We also offer fall cleanups for limbs, debris, anything that might have just dropped onto the property that isn't supposed to be there. We also offer spring cleanups as well. DalaCasa has grown a reputation not through marketing, but through quality of work. We take full-on pride in what we do, and through 20 plus years of experience in this specific location, we know all the things that happen and what we encounter in this area, and we take full pride in making sure that the clients don't have some of the problems that they might have working with other companies. That is something that we truly take pride in, is simply quality of work. If you're looking for a new landscape maintenance provider, look into DalaCasa. Over 20 plus years of quality and over 250 five-star Google reviews lets us know that we are doing something right within the Charlotte metro area.